Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make some slime with Tide and glue, and I'm gonna show you the one I actually made. This is the one I actually made. This is the one I actually made. So I added glitter at this one, so it's a little bit different than the other one that I'm gonna make. So the things you'll actually be needing is you are needing some Tide. My school glues, and I'm using the washable one. It's good. It's the Elmer's. Something to mix in, and a mixing tool. Okay, so you want to get the thing you actually gonna mix in. This you're gonna add your glue. Open the top. Pour a little bit of glue. There. Very little. And then you actually want to add Tide. The very little Tide. Wait, I'm gonna pour. There. Then add a little bit of Tide. Wow, I think that's a lot. Then get your mixing tool and then stir. So you can see the consistency is right here. Keep mixing until you think it's all ready. So you can see it's a little bit sticky, so just keep mixing and adding Tide. I'm gonna add more Tide. There. Add little by little. Keep mixing until you is all done, and so it doesn't stick to the bowl or where you're mixing it. So I'm gonna come back when it's done. So this is the rest, guys, and this is the rest. Bye guys, hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share, and like. Bye!